Have you noticed something strange about the recent wildfires? There's a conspiracy theory making rounds. Major fire insurance policies were canceled just months before these fires broke out. Coincidence? Some think so, but others believe insurance companies knew something we didn't. And it gets even weirder. Claims are being denied, leaving families stranded. But here's another twist. Some speculate these fires are part of a bigger plan to clear land for new developments or infrastructure projects. Sounds crazy, right? But follow the money, and things start to connect. So is it a natural disaster? Or something more sinister? What do you think? Let's talk in the comments.